how to set call forwarding when unanswered on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from here, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Supplementary Services. Then tap on Call Forwarding. Now tap on Forward when unanswered. Then put in the phone number that you want to set. And then tap on Enabled. And that's it. It has now been set to forward the call when it is unanswered. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.